Hi guys, so I just got back from the mall. Don't you love when you just go for window shopping and end up coming back with so many ideas? Well, let me tell you, while walking through the mall, I started thinking about something. What if you could start making extra money without spending a single dime up front? Yep, you heard me. Zero investment, no fancy tools, nothing. Just you, your skills, and a little creativity. The truth is, you don't need a big budget to start making extra income. In fact, you probably already have everything you need. So, grab a pen and a paper because we are about to get creative. Let's dive in. Hi Navigators, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Favour. And this is the place where we build wealth, confidence, and freedom together. Now, let's get real. The idea of starting a side hustle when you are broke can feel impossible. But let me tell you, I have seen people with nothing but Wi-Fi and grit turn their skills into income, and you can do so too. So today, I am sharing not just what you can do, but how to start making money today with no upfront investment. Plus, I'll give you actionable steps to get started right now. Number one step is to start with what you already know. Think about what you are good at: teaching, writing, organizing, or even baking. Most side hustles don't require new skills, just the confidence to offer what you already know. And here is an example. I know a guy who started tutoring maths for free just to build testimonials. Within a month, word spread, and he had paying clients without spending a dime on advertisements. And here is an action step. Write down 3 things you are good at and think about who might pay for those skills. Start reaching out to your network. And here's the second way. Leverage free network to find clients. You don't need a website or fancy tools to get started. Free platforms like LinkedIn to market your professional skills, or Facebook to connect with people looking for help, and Instagram to show off your work. And here is an example. I know someone who posted their graphic design portfolio on Instagram and used hashtags to attract small businesses, and within 2 weeks, they had their first clients completely free. And here's an action for you to take. Create a free profile or portfolio on one platform at least, and start sharing what you offer. And the third step is for you to offer free trials or barter services. If you are just starting out and don't have a client, offer your services for free or barter someone who can help you. For example, writing a blog post for free in exchange for testimonial, or you can trade social media help for website design with a friend. For example, a baker I know offered free sample to local cafes in exchange to displaying her business cards. She turned that into regular order and steady income. And here is an action for you to take. Reach out to 5 people or 5 businesses and offer free trials, or barter to kickstart your hustle. Number 4 step, use free tools to deliver professional work. For starters, you don't need to invest in softwares when so many amazing free tools are available. And here are some suggestions, right? You can use Canva for designing work, Google Doc for writing and editing, Trello for managing projects. A friend of mine built an entire social media strategy for a client using Canva and free managing tools. It looked like a pro without spending a dime. Here is an action step for you. Explore free tools that aligns with your hustle and start using them today. Number 5 step, network like a pro without paying for ads. Word of mouth is your best friend when you're starting with no budgets. Let your friends, family, colleague know what you're offering. And don't worry about what they will think or say about what you're doing. They'll be all right at the end. A writer I know landed her first gig because a friend posted her services on Facebook. So yeah, there are still some good friends out there. And That one post led to referrals and ongoing projects. Here is an action step for you. Create a short message describing your side hustle and send it to your network. Number 6 step, reinvent everyday skills into income. Think about the simple skills you already use daily. Typing, organizing, cleaning, cooking, or even running errands. For example, you could offer meal prep services to busy family. Help someone decluster their home. If you're good with typing, you can become a transcriptionist using your typing speed. I know a mom who started meal prepping for her neighbor. She didn't need anything other than groceries, and now it's a full-blown business. See, starting a side hustle with no money isn't just possible, but it's doable. The trick is to think creatively. Take small steps and put yourself out there. Remember, you don't need any fancy tools or huge investments. You just need the willingness to start, and trust me, you already have everything you need. So, which of these strategies are you going to try? Let me know in the comment section. I can't wait to hear about your journey. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who is ready to start their side hustle. Let's make 2025 the year of financial freedom for all of us. You got this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.